Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook minute rice. This incredibly convenient grain is perfect for quick meals. To begin, measure equal parts water and minute rice. Bring the water to a rolling boil in a saucepan. Once boiling, stir in the minute rice, then immediately remove the pan from the heat. Cover the saucepan tightly with a lid and let it stand undisturbed for exactly 5 minutes. This simple process ensures perfectly cooked, fluffy rice every time, ready to enjoy in just minutes. For stovetop preparation, precise measurements are key. If you're making a single serving, combine 1 cup of water with 1 cup of minute rice. For 2 servings, simply double that to 2 cups of water and 2 cups of rice. You can enhance the flavor by adding a small pinch of salt or a tablespoon of butter to the water before boiling. Remember to keep the pot tightly covered during the 5-minute standing period. This traps the steam essential for proper cooking and a tender texture. If you prefer the microwave, it's just as easy. Combine equal parts minute rice and water in a microwave-safe bowl. For example, 1 cup of water and 1 cup of minute rice for a single serving. Place the bowl, uncovered, into the microwave and cook on high power for approximately 6 to 7 minutes. After microwaving, remove the bowl and let it stand for another 5 minutes. This crucial standing time allows the rice to fully absorb the remaining moisture, ensuring a soft and fluffy result. For truly perfect minute rice, a few final tips. It's important not to lift the lid during the 5-minute standing time, whether on the stovetop or in the microwave, as this releases the steam needed for cooking. Once the standing time is complete, gently fluff the rice with a fork before serving. You can slightly adjust the water-to-rice ratio to achieve your preferred texture, perhaps a little less water for firmer grains. Minute rice is a fantastic, versatile base for countless quick and delicious meals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.